what can qualify me from US citizenship? So somebody asks, I'm about to file my N-400, which is an application for naturalization. And, what are some of the requirements and what can disqualify me right off the gate? And so some of the critical disqualifications are things like, if you have a felony, you can be disqualified. If you've had some kind of fraudulent activity, you can be disqualified. So, if you try to defraud, U.S. government, or especially if you try to misrepresent or make fraudulent, or you lied to get an immigration benefit, that's another ground for disqualification. And part of the reason is because there's the requirement of good moral character. So there's during the statutory period, and the statutory period is it's 5 years for most purposes, or 3 years depending, if you're applying based on a marriage, green card or not, and so you want to look to things like to things like that, felony, have you, and then in addition to that, you have other things like there's a long list of things, whether you've been a member of certain terrorist organizations, or whether you've been a member of the Nazi, party, or there's been some kind of persecution that you've been a part of, and you've committed persecution, outside of the country. There's, prostitution and kind of other forms of crimes that you've been a part of. So these are some considerations for whether you're eligible or whether you'll be accepted for citizenship in the United States. Thank you for watching.